Hello and welcome to our highly anticipated Motion Studio. My name is Maisie Young and I'm the Digital Marketing Administrator here at Motion Control Products.
My name's Steve McKay, I'm the Managing Director of the company.
And today we're going to be discussing the studio with you. In this studio, we will be showcasing our extensive product range with our engineers and sales teams while occasionally starring some of our partners. It's no secret that COVID has changed the way we do business and operate. We didn't want this to slow down our momentum and stop doing what we do best, which is innovating the motion industry. So Steve, what was the idea behind the studio and how did your initial idea evolve?
Good question, Maisie. So obviously it's no secret that COVID has affected worldwide businesses, and at that time in 2020 we were looking at how do we reach out to our customers and get the message across about our products and services and so forth, and obviously with no travel, no face-to-face, and the historic cost of sales travel nationally and internationally, we couldn't do it, so a new solution was required to overcome this challenge. So this is where the studio was created, and this is why we obviously now put a lot of effort into getting this moving forward.
Well, I mean, once this idea came out as something so small and then it's evolved over time, did you want to go on about that?
Well, when it evolved, obviously we were on semi-lockdown. The company had a skeleton range of staff that were, because we deal with the medical and pharmaceutical industry, we continued trading, and we had builders in here doing some renovation, and then we concepted this studio came along. We had quite a large sales area, so we decided to build this 8 metre by 8 metre full interactive studio, but we had challenges along the way with not only the supply chain for building materials, but also the supply chain for all the professional camera equipment we've got.
So what makes this studio stand out?
Well, we had the advice from a TV studio cameraman from the BBC, so he made some recommendations on what we needed. So we wanted to go down XS cameras, vMix software and pro audio cameras, lighting, mixers, interactive studio, and with the overview we're doing podcasts and technical training.
In which we already have shot some with some of our products,
yeah, that's
which
correct, yeah.
We're going to be showing later on once this video comes out to you. But what does this mean for the future of motion control products?
Well, I think a lot of the things that we're going to do is our guys have got to change the mindsets of technically being online presenting from a studio rather than face-to-face at this present time. So there's lots of training to do with the guys, which, as you mentioned correctly, that we've already done some of the technical presentations that we're going to be releasing over the time period. So we've got some podcasts, we've got some technical training that we'll be doing with our customers. We'll be bringing in partner presenters, so that with the screen behind us we've got a green screen facility, so we can invite digitally our partners to come in and discuss things face to face digitally. That's the area that we're moving forward with.
We've also started to do some rendered videos of our products, right, which will show the products being torn apart and the USPs. Did you want to go on about that? Because that's more digital era for motion control products.
Exactly. So what we've done is we've taken some of our CAD files and then we've fully rendered them, and we're able to take these apart, so it shows the intrinsic product USPs within. And I think I'd like to take it a stage further and look at augmenting reality software, so we can actually get customers to interact digitally online with us, and then they can home in onto certain parts of the product that interest us. Interest them on what we're doing, and we'll be uploading a lot of these videos and podcasts to our YouTube channel for the future, so they'll be online, and the other area is to upload them to our website, so there's areas that customers can come on in and check them out at any time.
Yeah, so what can our customers expect moving forward? apart from all of this access to the information that we're
Well, the
giving
area I
out?
think that I would like to do is a lot more training and education with our customers. So the areas that to apply some of the products that we have, such as the large range of motors we've got, large range of actuators, there are applications that you can't put specific motors into. So I think that's training our customers technically on how to apply a product for a particular application that gives them the best USPs to move forward with their machines.
I mean, that's something that makes us stand out against some of our competitors, that we have an in-house engineers team, which will help.
Yeah, we've got full-blown, obviously, control engineers here that know how to apply our products within the customer's environment. So we'll be doing lots of training on that for the future.
Perfect. Well, thank you for taking us through the story of
You're
the
welcome.
Motion Studio. We've even decided to take this a step further and rent this space out to companies who are looking to take their marketing and customer reach to the next level. So if this is any of interest to you, please feel free to contact us at the information below if you're looking to rent this space out for yourself. But thank you for watching, and I'm excited to take you on this journey with us.
Thanks very much.